Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will be showing you how to make and upload your own titantrons for entrance practice. I'll take you through the whole process step by step, so by the end you'll know exactly how to get your own entrance in game. Let's get started. First thing you want to do is head to the description. I've left a link and there's going to be a Google Drive folder in there, and there's going to be a bunch of templates of like the sizing of the main stage, the old stage, like the really big one, the arena ribbons, the announce table. It's all in there. I've got it uploaded to Canva, which is what I'm going to be using today, and I'm going to make a couple basic designs that I'll send in the entrance practice Discord, and you'll just be able to either use these or follow the steps that I'm using and make your own. Pretty simply, I've got some stuff here that I'm going to be using to help me with this. Like I'm going to be making a SummerSlam Tron since they're going to Minneapolis. So I've got the Minnesota Vikings colors, I've got the stadium they're in, basically some stuff I might find useful that I can use to get a bit creative in this design. So we're going to start off with our SummerSlam logo. We're going to probably just copy what WWE uses most of the time and have two logos, one on each side of the stage. And then we are going to find some colors to use. Like in this case, we'll do orange and purple. And that's it for our main stage. Now we're going to adapt this design onto all of our other Trons, like the ring apron, all of the above. So we're just going to copy them over and see what we can do. So that's that one done. Now we'll go onto the ring TV, like the LED on the ring. So I'll do something like that. Then for the announce table, we're just gonna go pretty simple. We'll do just the SummerSlam logo on a black thing. We're gonna export this as transparent so we can have it look really nice on the announce table. Now we got our TV top, which is like our ribbon, arena ribbon, this part of the arena. Now for this one, I always like to make it basically loop, just so it looks like it never ends. And it's like just a nice design. So we'll do something like that at the top, and on the bottom we're gonna do another Vikings color. So let's go that yellowish color, and then just a little thing I do is I put in like the WWE logo in the very corner, like the very edge of the design on both sides. And why I do this is because it then makes like a loop between the image, like when it ends and when it starts, so you don't know how long it is when it starts, when it ends. And then for this one, we're gonna go pretty simple yet again. I'm just gonna tilt the SummerSlam logo sideways. And this is the one Tron that I'm not really good at designing, but it's too bad, I guess. Anyways, we'll take this in. This is just same thing from the ribbons. It's really nothing, just so we can kind of keep going with that Vikings kind of feel. So there we go. Now we're gonna upload these to Roblox so we can use them in game. First things first, especially on Canva, you're gonna wanna download the files so you have them saved. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do that for all of these files quickly. we're gonna manually upload all of our files into here. So we're looking for the ones that we've just downloaded, like this one that I just made. I'm just gonna upload it to Roblox. We're just gonna keep doing this for all of our designs. With the Trons not showing in game, I found out why. You need to go into your image. You need to be in the images tab when you do this. You click on your image, you gotta press open use. You gotta allow this asset to be open use. And then you can press back. You need to do this on every single image, otherwise they will not work in game. So once you do this for all of them, you will be able to use them on Roblox. And you can use them in any game that allows you to. So anyways, now that we are all sorted, I've gone in game and we are going to try and get these images onto the stage. So first of all, we are going to start off by scrolling down to TV, which is not usually down there. It's usually at the top of the list, but for some reason it isn't right now. So yeah, we're going to paste in our image and you can see it's on the screen, on the stage now. You can see that the WWE logo is down in the entrance hall. The logos are where we place them. Now we are going to go for our LED apron, our ring TV, which is this one right here. We're going to paste in that tron. And you can see that it looks like our design, and it also pastes onto the barricades here. Next, we're going to do our announce table hood. And as you can see right now, it's showing the rule icon, which is the default. We're going to scroll down to the commentary table. We're just going to paste that in there. I pasted the wrong one on accident, but you get what I mean. Here we go. Now it shows the SummerSlam logo like what we wanted. Now we're going to do our ribbon, which is all the way up there. So we're going to just fly up there so we can get a good look at it. So we're going to go to our TV top 2. And we're going to paste it in there. And as you can see, the SummerSlam logo is on there. You got the Minnesota Vikings colors. And you can't tell where the image ends and restarts because the WWE logo connects like normal. And now last but not least, we are going to go down here. We're going to do our LED posts, which is called, I believe, just LED4/LED post. You can just paste that in there. Just go to one that's got a better view. You can see we got our logo, we got all the stuff. And now last but not least, we're going to look at what the Tron looks like on a big TV. And basically what that is the this stage, the Titantron 2021 to 2024 stage. You can see it's a lot bigger than the current one. We're going to go back down to custom Trons, and we're going to go into TV again, because the big Tron and the regular TV both use the same one. You can see our image is on there pretty nicely. And yeah, that's about it for all of that. If you're going to make a ring mat, it is pretty much the exact same, except you need to put in the ring mat. Just the ring mat logo. You can design your image and then you can paste it into the ring logo, and that'll set it for you. If you're interested in the aspect ratios and you don't want to download any of the images, I've got them here on screen. I will paste them in the comments so you can just copy them and put them in whatever design software you want. And yeah, that's about it for this video. Thank you for watching, and I hope this helps out with your stage creating. We'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.